Hello, Reynolds family. Today is Monday, January 11th, 2021. Welcome to episode 6 of our Tech Training Roundup series. I'm Kevin,
And I'm Kim.
and we make up technology training services here at Reynolds Community College. We hope you and yours had a relaxing holiday break and wish you all a happy new year and spring semester. A few notes and reminders to make. All websites and videos referenced here will be linked in the video description below for your convenience. Please visit our tech training tutorial page for video tutorials and guides that address common questions on many of the software applications used at Reynolds. If this support material does not provide answers, please reach out to us at technologytraining@reynolds.edu rather than email either of us directly. This allows us to tag team and track common issues to serve you more efficiently.
Our quick access guide is still available to assist instructors with their online courses. This guide can be found on the Technology Training Services homepage and contains essential information for both the Canvas LMS and Zoom. This guide provides resources which include Canvas 24-hour phone and chat support, as well as Reynolds faculty online mentors, divided by school, and includes contact information. Please become familiar with the Student Technology Support page located on the reynolds.edu website. There are multiple support resources available to students on applications they will be using at Reynolds.
Our news alert concerns Canvas quizzes. Due to COVID-19, Canvas has adjusted the transition timeline of classic quizzes to new quizzes, initially scheduled for July 2021. The rollout has now been delayed to summer 2022, which means instructors have additional time to prepare for the migration. Additionally, starting July 17th, 2021, users will be able to migrate classic quizzes to new quizzes during the course copy process. Currently, this can only be done from the quizzes index page. Updates to the new quizzes timeline can be found on the Canvas community website under New Quizzes Timeline Overview. We will be sure to keep you posted with any updates from Canvas when we learn more. On the topic of new quizzes, we want to briefly provide some information about the differences between classic and new quizzes, especially for those that want to explore this new quiz type. We will focus on the three biggest differences. First, the interface. New quizzes offer a polished and cleaner interface for both the instructor and student experience. Some of the clunkier designs seem to have been smoothed out in this upgrade, which we imagine most users will appreciate. Second, new quizzes offer more question types than classic, including categorization, ordering, and hotspots, among others. Even some of the same question types found in new quizzes appear to have been given some enhanced features. Third and finally, new quizzes include a much sought after feature that classic quizzes did not have: shuffle questions. We have a feeling that many of you dedicated Canvas quiz users out there are now jumping for joy. You're welcome, or rather, Canvas says you're welcome. For more information about new quizzes, the migration timeline, and a dedicated frequently asked question page, please see the comment section below this video. And now for the tech training tip of the week.
There seems to be some confusion regarding e-signatures versus digital signatures and which are used and when. So our tip of the week will focus on clarifying signing a PDF document using those two methods. But before we begin, please note the following methods do not apply to PDFs opened in a web browser. This PDF would need to be downloaded to your computer and opened in Adobe Reader before a signature can be applied. The first method, Fill and Sign, can be used with Adobe's free applications of Reader for computers and the Fill and Sign app for mobile devices. Fill and Sign is fast, simple, and is accepted by almost all types of agreements. Fill and Sign's flexibility enables you to type, draw, add an image of your signature, or add initials anywhere on the document. A digital signature is the second method used when signing PDFs. These signatures are encrypted, verifiable, and support the broadest range of legal requirements. However, a digital signature can only be applied to a properly prepared PDF form. The key to knowing if a PDF is a form that will accept digital signatures is the red ribbon icon on the signature line, seen here. If the PDF does not have this red ribbon icon, you will need to use Fill and Sign to apply a digital signature to the PDF. Once you click on a digital signature field in a prepared form, you will be prompted to configure a digital ID. Follow the instructions in the PDF linked below to create your digital ID, and be sure to create and save a strong password. Your digital signature is saved and available for 5 years on the computer where it was created, and your password must be entered each time you use the signature. This ensures that no one else can use your signature on your device. That's your tech training tip of the week. If you have any tip suggestions yourself, please feel free to email us at technologytraining@reynolds.edu.
And if you have any questions or troubleshooting issues, please reach out to us also at technologytraining@reynolds.edu. This is Kevin.
And this is Kim signing out.
Be safe, be well, and we'll see you in the next Tech Training Roundup video.